How to find video start with sound settings on a Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video start with sound settings on a Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down until you find here settings and privacy. Click on it, and now click this one, settings, and then go down until you find this one, media, and click on it. And here you will find videos start with the sound. Just click on it or turn it on, and that's how to find videos start with the sound on Facebook mobile. And don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.